Hi everyone, my name is Anthony and I have been working with Dr. Marina Kostina since August of 2019. Before meeting her, I was going through a lot of anxiety. I had just moved from New York back here to Chicago, and I just felt a lot of mental block, and I felt very low energy physically. And so I wanted to look for someone to help me with all that. And I found Dr. Marina Kostina's website where I saw an energy scan and analysis and aura photo. And I remember sending her a text, and she accommodated me so quickly. And then when I met her, there was just an instant bond. I could trust her, and she was helping me a lot with the blocks and mental blocks that I was having during that time. And I really connected with her because she was a former educator. She's still an educator, and just learning a lot from her. And she just has this amazing aura. And so after that one meeting with her, I scheduled Reiki with her every month after that, where she would help open my chakras, and I learned a lot more about spirituality and being more confident in myself and leaning into my power. And over that course of 6 months, I feel like my life has transformed in that I've become more confident and I've been leaning into my power. And so before all the COVID-19 stuff happened, she encouraged me to do Reiki Attunement 1 and 2 for self-healing, and even saying that I am a healer for others. And it was such an amazing experience. She really took it slow with me and gave me a lot of practice, and really helped me see the power of healing that I had within myself. And I think the great thing about Dr. Marina Kostina that I love so much is that it wasn't just a training where she was just like, this is how to do it, and it was kind of a one and done. She sat down with me and talked about the responsibility and the big responsibilities of having this power within us and to heal others, which I very much appreciated. And she always followed up with me and made me feel comfortable throughout the whole session. And actually recently I just gave my first distance session of Reiki to a friend over in New York. And at the end of it, when I finished, I just felt so powerful and so grateful that I have this gift that I could also heal others. In the end, I am just so grateful for meeting Dr. Marina Kostina. I think a lot of her services and a lot of what she speaks to is just so inspiring for me and motivating. And every time I see her do something great, it just motivates me to lean into my purpose, but also just motivates me to do better for myself.